body corporate garden and maintenance business, Sunshine Coast. Make the sea change to the sought-after Sunshine Coast with this established body corporate maintenance business. Centrally located, the business would be very easy to grow, with regular inquiries from potential new clients. This is a simple business to run, with flexible hours, no special skills required, and great cash flow. The business provides a range of property maintenance services to body corporate and strata title properties. Currently servicing 17 properties from Mount Coolum to Pelican Waters, this is not a franchise, so you keep all the profits. Enjoy a variety of work, from gardening and minor handyman tasks to pressure cleaning and green waste removal. The excellent assets include a brand new galvanised trailer with a cage and ramp, mowers, tools, products, and more. New client requests are emailed regularly, but the current owner cannot take on any more work due to health reasons. This home-based business will give you a sound profit margin, growth, security, and a very desirable coastal lifestyle. Working only 30 hours per week on average, this is a real moneymaker, so don't miss out.